In this video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Lebara SIM card in iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Activating a Lebara SIM card on an iPhone is a straightforward process. This mainly involves inserting the SIM and sometimes completing a quick online or app registration. So, for the first step, check if your iPhone is unlocked. So, if your iPhone is currently locked to a different network, the Lebara SIM might not work, so ensure that it is completely unlocked. After that's done, power it off and find the SIM tray. Use a paperclip or the SIM ejector tool, which came with your iPhone, to open the tray. Insert the Lebara SIM card in there, put the tray back into your iPhone and power it on. Wait a few seconds or even up to a minute. It should automatically connect itself to a Lebara or Vodafone network. Once that is done, it should already be active. If it is not already active as soon as you insert and it connects to the network, you can try to make a short phone call, send a text, use a small amount of mobile data, and if that works, your SIM is active. If you bought a SIM-only plan, you might need to make the first chargeable action to start your plan. So you can visit the official website, you can click on Top Up, you can call them at a specific number, or you can look through the App Store to download the required app to top up. As long as you do a full top up, that should be it to have the SIM card activated. Verify your identity if needed and you will be good to go. Set up mobile data and you can start roaming using your Lebara SIM card. If for whatever reason it doesn't automatically activate or it doesn't activate after all of these manual steps, I would recommend talking to their customer support. So visit the website, go over to help, and if you scroll all the way down, you can find the chat option and also the numbers to call them. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.